and the Newfoundland, Portuguese Water Dog, the Rottweiler, the Russian Black Terrier, St. Bernard, the Siberian Husky, and the Tibetan Mastiff. The judge of the working group is a gentleman who needs very little introduction. Starting in the 1960s, he owned some influential dogs in Shetland sheepdogs under the Charval affix. From there on, he's developed to be one of the country's leading all-round judges, judging 6 groups and 90 breeds with challenge certificates. In the year 2003, he judged Best in Show at the 100th Crufts Dog Show. Please welcome from Scotland, Mr. Albert White.